Storyteller, I want to know more. Especially like that damage. I wonder what happened. Probably took a little bit too deep into the woods. That's why it's helpful to have a pickup instead of a big old box on wheels. This is a lot of space. I guess if you're living in it, it was one thing. Boy, I'd hate to buy tires for that thing though. Check out these tires. Wow. Epic. Yeah, probably the price on the repair is going to be epic. Wow. A little big for my needs, but pretty cool nonetheless. Wow.